Hello and welcome to the demo of the ShipRocket platform. ShipRocket platform has products that span across the value chain of e-commerce and is a collection of integrations of our ShipRocket product workflows as well as a managed services layer. ShipRocket products are present across all points of the value chain. As a part of the demo, we are going to dive into a few of these products. Let's start with ShipRocket Checkout. As you can see here, I'm on a test website. When I get into the products page here, the ShipRocket checkout experience takes over the buy now experience immediately on logging in. There are multiple things which are pre-filled for the seller, starting with addresses be easily chosen from a predefined list delivery options, time band options, multiple discounting mediums that the sellers can configure using a robust engine at the backend as well as UPI first native payment experience. For now, let's place a cash-on-delivery order. The moment a cash-on-delivery order is placed on omni-channel communication tool, Engage 360 kicks in and starts a WhatsApp communication. Let's get to that. In the WhatsApp communication flow, there are workflows to confirm an order, get address updates, as well as push for a code to prepaid discount. The same communication thread gets used for sending shipping updates once an order is shipped and is in transit. Not just that, it also has a chatbot experience used for both pre-order and post-order queries. Let's get into the main ShipRocket seller panel. This is where sellers manage all of the orders that are coming in and see multiple data points related to the orders. Let's get into the Engage panel for now and come back to this later. The Engage panel is basically a product that helps in managing omni-channel communication related to RTO reduction, learning marketing campaigns, having a chatbot, and also a customer data platform to do intelligence segmentation. As we go into details for the RTO speed, you can see there are multiple intelligent data points to be able to make decisions for the sellers that help in driving intelligence using AI. Sellers can also decide to chat from panel, open communication directly with their buyers from the panel itself. Going back to the ShipRocket main platform, all orders that are placed get immediately synced to this platform and have multiple data points to be able to take a decision on shipping. Once a seller selects shipping, there are multiple courier options that come in along with decision-making parameters like performance estimated delivery details and previously used couriers to ship the order to the same buyer, which are segregated into different types of couriers. As well as we choose one of the courier options immediately, a label is provided and a pickup can be scheduled by the seller for the courier to come and pick up the packet. All seller has to do next is download the label printed and stick it on the packet for the courier to pick up. And tracking page is also generated, which gets sent out as link to the buyer, which is customizable for seller's branding. A couple of other features like Delivery Boost help in solving for a better shipping experience where reducing non-deliveries provides a lot of transparency and also invokes an automated communication flow between the buyer and the seller. And the courier gives information on the riskiness as well as address quality and all the communication that have gone out, along with the responses that have come from the buyer, which help in better deliveries happening on the supply chain. Weight discrepancies are reduced with the help of the weight management tool, which provides transparency on all the charges that are coming for the seller related to different kinds of weight categories, along with proof points like shipment images, which are pulled directly from the courier sorter to be able to provide transparency to sellers and AI-driven weight recommendation. We help in freezing the weight so that the sellers do not have to worry about weight discrepancy. We also have multiple integrations on shopping cart marketplaces, which are available through the main panel. Sellers can access all products which are available on ShipRocket across the value chain through our All Products tab. We also have an app store where external developers build new apps that can be easily installed by sellers to solve for different use cases. Our AI-driven Copilot, which is like a ChatGPT for ShipRocket, help answer sellers' queries across the usage of the ShipRocket platform. And our latest edition, which is ShipRocket Trends, which is e-commerce trends for Bharat, gives intelligent visibility on what kind of shopping is happiness across the country for different cities and different categories on various metrics related to e-commerce like order value GMV trends, RTO percentage type of buyer segments, and top selling products.